2.5.5, describe how the graph of the function g of x equals -6 times the square root of x can be obtained from the basic graph. Then graph the function. Start with the graph of f of x equals square root of x. Okay, so let's see, we have g of x is -6 square root of x. So our basic function is just going to be the square root of x. And the only thing that's happening is we have this a. A is 6. Well, it's -6. The negative is actually a reflection. So I told you I'd talk about that later. So here we go. So the negative part is a reflection over the x-axis. It's acting on y, so it reflects over the x-axis. And the 6 is a vertical stretch. So if I were to do some basic components, points, so if you square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, and then square root of 2 is 1.4, square root of 3 is 1.7, square root of 4 is 2, and I'm going to get this basic shape. So it's like a parabola that's on that side, but it's only half, the top half. Okay. And then the -6, you're going to, so the way I do it is I just take each y coordinate and times it by -6. So the negative part flips it over. So this is going to go to 0, 0, 1, -6, 4, -12. And obviously my graph's not big enough, but basically this 1 times -6 would be down here. Let me change it to red. Be down here. 0, 0 stays there. This will go down to -12. And then basically it stretches it and the negative flips it over. Okay, so we're going to start with stretch it vertically by a factor of, stretch vertically by multiplying each y coordinate by 6, and then reflect it across the x-axis, right? So I just combine my reflection with the 6. But anyway, works the same way. Okay, now our graph is this one, right? That looks like what I drew over here in the red. Not very well, but that is it.